Hello, welcome to the following session of Basic Drawing. My name is Serge Girimbabazi.
And I am Habimana Gabriel Devot. We are both trainers at Rwenya Activate School.
In the previous video, we saw a isometric projection of sample vanity.
Let's now continue with orthographic projection of sample vanity.
Let's enjoy the lesson.
Hello everyone, my name is Valens Kwizera, a trainer at Rwenya Activate School. Today, we are going to continue with lesson number 2, which is called orthographic projection. As usual, we have objectives of this lesson, where the first one is that at the end of this session, the learner will be able to differentiate first angle projection and the third angle projection. Objective number 2 is that at the end of this session, the learner will be able to draw properly front and right view of sample vanity. I encourage you to follow well and even take notes and drawings so that later you understand properly the content. Orthographic projection, it's the part of working drawing. Just the working drawing is needed so that the one who will use the drawing will not be confused. So that is why the views or orthographic projections are needed. So in order to find those views, there are two main arrangements that we do. The first one is what we call third angle projection, and the second one is first angle projection. In the third angle projection, we start with front view. Then on top, we have top view. At the bottom, we have the bottom view. In the right side, we have the right view. In the left side, we have the left view and back view. While for the first angle projection, we start also for the front view. Then on top, we have the bottom view. At the bottom, we have top view. In the right side, we have the left view and back view. And in the left side, we have the right view. Of course, once you are dealing with projection, you have to know also types of lines. Mainly, we have 3 types of lines, where the first one is continuous thick, which is used for the outside edge. And we have also the continuous thin. We have again the dashed line, which is used for the parts which are not visible. The next step is about dimensioning. So dimensioning is the way of putting numbers on drawing so that the one who will use it just can know dimension of each part. So we have two main categories of dimensioning, or two types of dimensioning. The first one is what we call aligned methods, where the second one is what we call directional methods. So let us start with aligned methods. Aligned methods is the way of putting numbers on drawing so that they are readable from bottom and right side. So as you see, those numbers, they are readable from bottom. So now we can read 9, 6 and 0 just from the bottom. And for those numbers, for example, 740, just you can read them from the right side. These methods that we use is what we call an aligned methods. So the second one is what we call an directional methods. For an directional methods, just you put the numbers on drawing and they are readable only from the bottom. Just all numbers that you put on drawing, just they have to be readable from the bottom only.
Hope you enjoyed the lesson.
Once again, we have learned a lot from this.
As usual, you can find this video on the e-learning website of Rwanda Polytechnic for more repetition.
We welcome you again for the next session.
Until then, stay safe and
Goodbye.
goodbye.